Hi, I'm Marshall. In this video, I want to teach you how to read Japan sentences using N5 Reading Test 6. 3 steps to read Japanese sentences. Step 1 is to find out all particles. Step 2 is to find out all grammar rules. And step 3 is to find out all words. You can pause here and try to answer this question yourself. I will explain everything later. このメモを読んで、ボゴさんははじめに何をしますか? Well, both the first and the second one indicate the direct object of a verb. Wa indicates the topic of this sentence. Ni is used to change hajime to an adverb. Ka indicates a question. Let's find out the grammar rules. Te, so you can use the te form of a verb when you refer to a number of actions consecutively. Now step 3. Find out the words. Kono means this. Memo means memo. Yonde is a te form of yomu, and yomu means to read. San is added after surname to be polite. Hajime means at first. Nani means what. Shimasu is a platform of suru, and suru means to do. 中西さんにお金をもらいます。To get money from Mr. Nakanishi. Ni indicates the indirect object of a verb. Wo indicates the direct object of a verb. Since there are no grammar rules here, you can skip step 2. That's step 3. Nakanishi is a Japanese surname. San is added after surname to be polite. Okane means money. Moraimasu is a platform of morau, and morau means to get. Nakanishi さんに荷物とお金を渡します。To give the baggage and money to Mr. Nakanishi. Ni indicates the indirect object of a verb. To indicates a complete list of items, means and. O indicates the direct object of a verb. Let's see step 3. Nakanishi is a Japanese surname. San is added after surname to be polite. Nimotsu means baggage. Okane means money. Watashimasu is a platform of watasu, and watasu means to give. 郵便局の人に荷物をもらいます。To get baggage from the postal worker. No is used to modify something. Ni indicates the indirect object of a verb. Wo indicates the direct object of a verb. Let's see step 3. 郵便局 means post office. Hito means person, people. Nimotsu means baggage. Moraimasu is a platform of morau, and morau means to get. 郵便局の人に荷物とお金を渡します。To give baggage and the money to the post officer, postal worker. No is used to modify something. Ni indicates the indirect object of a verb. To indicates a complete list of items, means and. Wo indicates the direct object of verb. 郵便局 means post office. Hito means person, people. Nimotsu means baggage. Okane means money. Watashimasu is a platform of watasu, and watasu means to give. 会社でボゴさんの机の上にこのメモと荷物があります。There is a memo and the baggage on Mr. Bogo's desk. で in 会社で indicates the location of an action. No, both the first and the second no is used to modify something. Till indicates a complete list of items, means and. Ga is used to indicate the subject of a sentence when it is emphasized. Let's see step 3. 会社 means company. Tsukue means desk. Ue means on, up. Kono means this. Memo means memo. Nimotsu means baggage. Arimasu is a platform of aru, and aru means there be, to have. 10時頃、郵便局の人がこの荷物を取りに来ますから、荷物とお金を渡してください。 About 10 o'clock, the postal worker will come to pick up the baggage, so please hand over the baggage and the money. No is used to modify something. Ga is used to indicate the subject of sentence when it is emphasized. Wo, both the first and second, indicates the direct object of a verb. Ni can be used to indicate purpose. When used with a motion verb that expresses the movement from one place to another. Kara indicates the reason. Till indicates a complete list of items, means and. Let's see step 2. Te kudasai means please do something. Let's see step 3. Yujigoro means about 10 o'clock. Yubinkyoku means post office. Hito means person, people. Kono means this. Nimotsu means baggage. Tori ni kimasu is the platform of tori ni kuru. And tori ni kuru means to come to take. Okane means money. Watashite is the te form of watasu, and watasu means to give. お金は中西さんが持っています。Mr. Nakanishi has money. Wa indicates the topic of a sentence. Ga is used to indicate the subject of a sentence when it is emphasized. Teiru, teimasu is used to describe a state. Let's see step 3. Okane means money. Nakanishi is a Japanese surname and san is added after surname to be polite. Motte is a te form of motsu and most means to have, to hold. 郵便局の人が来る前にもらいに行ってください。よろしくお願いします。Please go get it before the postal worker comes. Thank you in advance. No is used to modify something, and ga is used to indicate the subject of a sentence when emphasized. Mine here is a grammar rule. I will explain in step 2. Ni, the second one, can be used to indicate purpose when used with a motion verb that express the movement from one place to another. Direction form of verb plus mine means before doing. Te kudasai means please do something. Let's see step 3. Yubinkyoku means post office. Hito means person, people. Kuru means to come. Morai ni iku means to go get it. Ite is the te form of iku, and iku means to go. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu means thank you in advance. Okay, so you can say お金は中西さんが持っています。郵便局の人が来る前にもらいに行ってください is a case sentence. So the answer is 1. Thank you.